Hi everyone, welcome to JUENFO Kitchen where we just enjoy food. So let's enjoy this coconut curry shrimp. I have 20 large shrimp here, which is a little over half a pound. And I'm going to season them with a little bit of salt, black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, and some curry powder. I washed the shrimp in some lemon juice earlier, and I removed the shells from off of the tails. I personally prefer my shrimp with the shells off the tails. You can leave yours on if you wish. Now I'm going to allow this to marinate for at least 15 minutes, and in the meantime I'm going to prep the rest of my ingredients. So I love adding vegetables to my dishes wherever I can. Plus, all these were half used and laying around in my fridge, so I'm just gonna go ahead and throw them into this dish. So I have here some carrots, sweet peppers, also called bell peppers, and some onions as well. For additional flavor, I'm also adding some garlic that I've finely minced, some Scotch bonnet pepper for a little heat. If you don't like spice, you can leave that out, it's totally optional, and some minced fresh thyme. If you have seen a few of my videos in the past where I use coconut milk, you know that I like to use fresh. My intention for this video is for it to be a very quick, simple, easy, beginner friendly recipe. So I'm going to use some canned coconut milk for this. Plus I had this left over in my fridge from another recipe, so I'm going to use the rest in this one. I'm going to saute the shrimp quickly in some coconut oil. Of course, you can substitute for whatever oil you have. My flame is on medium and my shrimp goes in. I'm going to add a tiny bit more oil to this. And then I'm going to saute about another teaspoon of the curry powder for a few seconds. And then add my seasonings. I'm also going to add a tablespoon of my green seasoning. For the green seasoning, I actually have 2 videos which I'll link for you. You can check them out if you're interested. Next, my coconut milk. I'm gonna let that come to a light simmer, and then add my vegetables, starting with my carrots first. They're a lot denser, which means that they take a little bit more time to cook, so I'm giving them a head start. I actually have another curry shrimp recipe on my channel, guys. That recipe has a little twist to it. It has pineapple. It's very delicious, guys. I encourage you guys to check it out. And now I'm going to add my sweet peppers or bell peppers. Then my onions. And my shrimp goes in immediately after. And I'm going to allow this to cook down for another 2 to 3 minutes. I really hope you get a chance to try this coconut curry shrimp recipe. It was so delicious and very easy to make. Remember, you can find the recipe in the description below. Please like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed. And let's get to our first 1,000 subs. You're welcome to tag me on Instagram at JUENFO_ if you give this or any of my recipes a try. And don't forget to follow me as well. All my socials are also linked in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, live life to the fullest and just enjoy food.